हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल शिक्षा सखा। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 8 इंग्लिश की टेक्स्ट बुक हनी ड्यू का लेसन 4 जिसका नाम है बिपिन चौधरीज लैप्स ऑफ मेमोरी। इस वीडियो में हम लेसन की समरी, टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको लेसन 3 ग्लिम्स ऑफ द पास्ट करवाया था। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिस्ट डाली हुई है। आप जिस भी लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए पाठ की शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले पाठ की समरी करेंगे। Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory is a humorous story about a man, Bipin Chaudhary. He is the protagonist of the story who thinks he is sick. He meets people who tell him about the incident, which he does not remember at all. This confuses Bipin a lot because he feels only one memory is missing. He remembers everything well, but not what the other gentlemen convince him of. Thus, it is convincing enough for him that he was gotten a lapse of memory. The whole story follows all the events and his journey to find out the truth. However, we come to know the end that it was all made up. His old friend played a practical joke on him out of spite. Bipin did not help his friend in need, so his friend did all this. It was all a set up of all along. Bipin was always fine. The man then says that Dinesh Mukherjee was also on the trip. He may confirm it with him. Bipin does not pay much heed to this and goes about his life. However, it keeps bothering him, so he confirms the incident with Dinesh, who also verifies the story. अब करते हैं हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन 1, वाई डिड द मैन स्टेयर एट बिपिन बाबू इज डिसबिलीव। सेकंड, वेयर डिड बिपिन बाबू से ही वेंट इन अक्टूबर 58। थर्ड, मेंशन एनी 3 और मोर थिंग्स दैट परिमल घोष न्यू अबाउट बिपिन बाबू। इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट, द मैन परिमल घोष was taken aback when Bipin failed to recognize him. He didn't believe that Bipin had a lapse of memory. Second, Bipin Babu said that in October 58 he was in Kanpur. Third, Parimal Ghosh knew that Bipin Babu's wife was dead and his only brother had died in the same year in a Ranchi lunatic asylum. He also knew that Bipin Babu had no children and he was a lover of books. Question first, why did Bipin Babu worry about what Parimal Ghosh had said? Second, how did he try to decide who was right, his memory or Parimal Ghosh? Third, why did Bipin Babu hesitate to visit Mr. Mukherjee? Why did he finally decide to phone him? Fourth, what did Mr. Mukherjee say? Did it confirm Bipin Babu or add to his worries? इसका आंसर है First, Bipin Babu was taken aback to hear the intimate details about his life from Parimal Ghosh. There seemed no reason why he should tell a lie. He wondered if he really had forgotten about his visit to Ranchi. Second, in order to resolve the puzzle about his visit to Ranchi, Bipin Babu decided to contact Dinesh Mukherjee. Parimal had said that Mukherjee was also in Ranchi at that time. Third, Bipin Babu hesitated to visit Mr. Mukherjee, thinking that it would be ridiculous if he had really visited Ranchi. Mukherjee would think Bipin Babu had gone mad. Hence, Bipin Babu finally decided to phone him. Fourth, Mukherjee didn't reply clearly, but he said that he had been to Ranchi twice. He was not sure about the trip Bipin Babu exactly wanted to know. It made Bipin Babu more puzzled. He lost his appetite. Question first, who was Chunni Lal? What did he want from Bipin Babu? Second, why was Dr. Chanda puzzled? What was unusual about Bipin Babu's loss of memory? First, Chunnilal was an old friend of Vipin Babu. He wanted to favor from Vipin Babu in his job. Second, Paresh Chanda was a young physician. He had never dealt a case of memory loss, so he was puzzled. He gave a suggestion to Bipin Babu to visit Ranchi again. Question, had Bipin Babu really lost his memory and forgotten all about a trip to Ranchi? Second, why do you think Chunnilal did what he did? Chunnilal says he has no money. What is it that he does have? इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट, perhaps not. He finally recollected his memory and admitted that he had visited Ranchi in 1858. Second, Chunnilal wanted some money from Bipin Babu, his old friend, so he went to help for him. He assured Bipin that the term of his fortune would be back again. Chunnilal had no money, but he had mind and wit. Question first, the author describes Bipin Babu as a serious and hard-working man. What evidence can you find in the story to support this? इसका आंसर है बिपिन बाबू was a serious, honest and hard-working fellow. He went to office regularly. He was doing a responsible job. He was not a good mixture. Being serious-minded, he didn't waste time in idle chat. Question 2. Why did Vipin Babu change his mind about meeting Chunnilal? What was the result of this meeting? इसका आंसर है Bipin Babu first refused to meet Chunnilal. He was in no mood to help Chunnilal out of this trouble, but he changed his mind soon. He thought Chunnilal might remember something about his trip to Ranchi in 1958. Question 3. Bipin Babu lost consciousness at Hundro Falls. What do you think was the reason for this? इसका आंसर है Bipin Babu might have slipped near Hundro Falls that made him unconscious. Question 4. How do you think Bipin Babu reacted when he found out that Chunni Lal had tricked him? इसका आंसर है Bipin Babu's first reaction was that he regretted having refused to help Chunni Lal. He saw through Chunni Lal's trick to test him and learnt a lesson. ये बाकी हमारी एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस हैं, आप चाहे तो इन्हें भी कर सकते हैं. अब हम करते हैं इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन 1. एट कालीचरण's बिपिन बाबू bought the books of ऑप्शन ए philosophy, ऑप्शन बी टेक्नोलॉजी, ऑप्शन सी रिलीजन, ऑप्शन डी चीप लिटरेचर. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी चीप लिटरेचर. क्वेश्चन 2. द मैन हु टॉक्ड एट टू Question 2. The man who talked to Bipin Babu at Kalicharan's was option A. An old friend of his. B. A man from Ranchi. Option C. An actor. Option D. An enemy. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी एन एक्टर. क्वेश्चन 3. दिनेश मुखर्जी was option A. A well-wisher of Bipin Babu. Option B. A stranger to him. Option C. एन कंपाइल ऑफ चुन्नीलाल, ऑप्शन डी एन एक्टर। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, एन कंपाइल ऑफ चुन्नीलाल। क्वेश्चन 4, परिमल घोष was successful in making Bipin Babu, option A, laugh at him, option B, think that there might be something wrong with his mind, C, that he had really been to Ranchi, D, that he was no stranger। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, think that there might be something wrong with his mind। Question 5, Bipin Babu took a look at his right knee to, option A, be sure that Ghosh was wrong, B, be comfortable, C, take a bath, D, be relieved of the pain there। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, be sure that Ghosh was wrong। Question 6, Bipin Babu remembered, option A, that Haridas had left for Japan, B, that he had the mark of injury, C, that he had gone to Ranchi, D, that the stranger had spoken the truth। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, दैट हरिदास हैड लेफ्ट फॉर जापान। क्वेश्चन 7, बिपिन बाबू डिडंट वांट टू विजिट मिस्टर मुखर्जी बिकॉज, ऑप्शन ए, ही वाज वेरी अपसेट, बी, ही लिव्ड इन अ फार ऑफ प्लेस, सी, मुखर्जी वुड कंक्लूड ही वाज गोइंग नट्स, डी, ही डिड नॉट बिलीव मिस्टर मुखर्जी। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, मुखर्जी वुड कंक्लूड ही वाज गोइंग नट्स। Question 8, Bipin Babu's telephone to Mr. Mukherjee, option A, added to his worries, option B, comforted him, C, made him angry, option D, made him change his opinion about Mr. Mukherjee। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, added to his worries। Question 9, Bipin Babu returned early from his office because, option A, he had fallen ill, B, Mukherjee's conversation had disturbed him, C, he had gone mad, D, he had a guest at home। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, मुखर्जी's conversation had disturbed him। Question 10, Chunnilal came to visit Bipin Babu again and again because, option A, he was his old friend, option B, it was his custom, option C, he wanted to borrow some money, option D, he wanted him to help him get a job। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, he wanted him to help him get a job। तो यहाँ पे हमारी वीडियो ख़त्म होती है। अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको थर्ड पोयम द लास्ट बार्गेन करवाऊँगी। तो ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।